Welcome back to Primetime News, and a special welcome if you're watching online at onespotmedia.com. Sections of Cockburn Gardens in St. Andrew remain tense following this morning's fatal shooting of a man allegedly by the police. The deceased has been identified as Jermaine Ferguson. The killing sparked a protest which caused disruptions as residents mounted roadblocks at the Walton Park and Hagley Park Road intersection. Anthony Lugg has the details.
The aftermath of a fiery protest by residents of Cockburn Gardens in St. Andrew on Friday. A burnt vehicle, blocked roads, and placards helped to tell the tale of what happened hours earlier. The residents took to the street to protest the fatal shooting of 32-year-old Jermaine Ferguson, allegedly by the police. Reports are that sometime after 8 a.m., there was a police operation in the York Avenue section of the community when a man was shot dead.
The gentleman was outside this morning and the police took him from off the street, brought him into his own home and killed him inside his own home. Now that's a barbaric act that was carried out by the officer this morning.
It's understood that the deceased is a father of two. We tried to get a response from the mothers of his children. Friday's incident not only brought out angry residents, but also frustrated persons like this woman who called for divine intervention.
Interfere, God! Interfere, mighty man! God of favor and interfere!
I've lived in this community for 33 years and I have grown and seen this. This is not the third time. It happened 3 times recently, but it has been a consistent thing.
And even while members of the security forces secured the crime scene and Indicom carried out its investigation, the residents sought to make one thing clear. That call was made for the Member of Parliament for Southwest St. Andrew, Angela Brown Burke. When she arrived, this response from the residents. However, that matter was de-escalated shortly after. It's why she called for the head of the St. Andrew South Police Division to take note.
There are a number of communities who has been complaining about that particular policeman and his attitude and his style of policing. It is one that does not recognize individuals as being human beings. It is one that is very disrespectful to individuals. It's one that terrorizes them.
A statement from the police said, the Inspectorate and Professional Responsibility Oversight Bureau is investigating the shooting of Mr. Ferguson. It says, about 8:10, the police were involved in a confrontation with a group of men during which Mr. Ferguson was shot. A Ruger semi-automatic pistol containing 10 rounds of ammunition was seized in the incident. Anthony Lugg, TVJ News.